This is Morganite Vault, where insight shines.
Want to keep your hydrangeas looking fresh for days, not hours? I've got the secrets. First, remove the lower leaves to keep the water clean and the flowers hydrated. Then, cut the stems at a long angle with a sharp knife or shears. This helps them drink up more water. Dip those freshly cut stems in alum powder. Yep, the stuff in your spice aisle. Place your hydrangeas in room temperature water and change it every few days, giving the stems a fresh cut each time. Keep them out of direct sunlight to avoid wilting. If they do droop, don't panic. Submerge the blooms in cool water for 30 minutes. With these easy tips, your hydrangeas will stay vibrant and beautiful for a week or more.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more deep dives like this. And if you think someone else might enjoy, go ahead and share it with them.